In this video, I will show you how to connect your Phantom wallet to Bonk Bot. If you are trying to import your existing Phantom wallet into Bonk Bot, this is not currently supported. However, you can import your Bonk Bot wallet into Phantom wallet. Here's how. Launch the Bonk Bot app. Type home in the input field. This will take you to the position overview page with additional wallet options. Tap the wallet option. On the wallet page, select Export Private Key. A prompt will appear. Are you sure you want to export your private key? Then tap Confirm. Now copy the private key shown on the screen. Launch your Phantom wallet. Tap the three-line menu icon in the top left corner. Scroll down and tap the plus icon to add a new wallet. Tap Import Private Key. Paste the private key you copied from BonkBot. Give the wallet a custom name like BonkBot. Tap Import. That's it. Your BonkBot wallet is now successfully imported into Phantom Wallet. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.